Verona, a city located in the northern part of Italy, is steeped in history and culture, and it boasts several iconic landmarks that draw visitors from around the world. One of the most famous attractions in Verona is the statue of Juliet, which is located in the courtyard of the Casa di Giulietta, or House of Juliet. This statue has become a symbol of love and is said to bring luck to those who touch Juliet's right breast. Another notable feature of Verona is the Ponte Pietra, an ancient Roman arch bridge that spans the Adige River. The bridge offers stunning views of the river and the surrounding architecture, making it a must-see for visitors to the city. The Verona Arena, also known as the Arena di Verona, is another iconic structure in the city. This Roman amphitheater is one of the best preserved ancient structures of its kind and is famous for its large-scale opera performances. The arena's annual opera festival attracts thousands of visitors who come to experience world-class productions in this historic setting. In addition to these landmarks, Verona is known for its well-preserved medieval old town, which features charming cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and lively piazzas. The city is also home to several other notable attractions, including the Piazza del Urbe, a picturesque square surrounded by historic buildings and lively market stalls, and the majestic Castelvecchio, a medieval castle with a museum housing a rich collection of art and artifacts. Verona's rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant cultural scene make it a captivating destination for travelers interested in exploring the beauty and heritage of Italy. Whether it's strolling through ancient streets, taking in an opera performance at the arena, or visiting the legendary statue of Juliet, Verona offers a wealth of experiences for visitors to enjoy.